most favorite part, I would say, is actually making the paper, which was quite different from what we normally do in our system. And what we have learned so far as a teacher, what I have learned and what I have learned now with them is quite different and interesting at the same time. So it's more practical based as compared to what we have been doing, but there's two sides to everything, and I really enjoyed the workshop that we've been having so far. Basically what we do is we learn something and we perform things, and then over the years we believe that we are just competent in it, but every now and then we need refreshers. It helps us to get people together to share ideas, and of course things are changing, so we need to be in par with what's happening. And with the current generation that we are in, I believe it's more practical based. Sometimes the questions that we put in our papers, these are more generally from the book. So students, what they do is they are just cramming things, but this side it's more practical. You actually relate things and you answer. So refreshers like this are very important, even if we are in the system for so long. I am a teacher by profession, so it's going to massively affect, improve my work rather, not affect but improve my work. As I said, the practical impact is going to be there, and I think I'm going to be far better in preparing my papers now and also preparing my students for the future. So in terms of that, if you can see the international world, whereas Australia, New Zealand and other countries, like I said, is more practical based, more hands-on based. Fiji, I suppose, at the moment is lagging in that. So with the help of ECAP, I personally believe they were a group of selected teachers, but I think it should now go to the entire teachers in Fiji in particular I'm talking about, so that we are all in par with what's happening and we all move forward together. So I think it's very important that the support that they are giving, I am a beneficiary of that, and I believe it should go to the other teachers as well. I would like to personally thank ECAP for having this workshop and selecting me, of course. And if there is any opportunity that it can go to Ministry of Education in Fiji and go down to the other teachers and filter around the school system, it's going to help a lot of other teachers and overall improve our education system. Thank you.